Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer Club's Ask the Cook. We're here to talk about polymers and polymer application. We help you answer the question, what do you need to know to add polymer skills to your career? STEM content is a big challenge. Knowledge of technical matters is probably one of the things our world needs as much as it needs anything these days. But even thrill-producing, dopamine-satiating social media can't make technical details interesting. Three things nearly always will: the why, the what, and the how. The most important thing in my mind is the why. The reason why often is more important than the others, because only by understanding why can you probe the most important developments and ideas. Steve Jobs was driven to make the experience of using what he saw as his products the best. The best. If he seemed inconsistent in his demands that he had, it was because he was grappling with what the best user experience was and how to get it. Think hard about why you make the products you make. What is your product's role in the success of your customers? Why does it matter to them? The why matters. To get the what, simply tell the audience what the technical matter does. A less familiar audience may not want the derivation, right? They want that led to the advancement. What they want is something that can reach them and hold their attention. Finally, the how. Show them how the process works, step by step. Here is how you install a stairwell, change a tire, how to check a weld, how to test a circuit. When the audience sees how to do it, they are taken by the simplicity, the detail, the earnestness, the effectiveness, even the beauty of the pursuit. To make the STEM topic interesting, consider focusing on one of either the why, the what, or the how in your presentations. Knowing how to present STEM topics to draw the audience in, that's working knowledge. Just what we share with you when you watch us here in this community, the Polymer Club, Ask the Cook. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and even share if you appreciate the content. You can follow a link in the description to learn more about Polymer Club and in the community and how to get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer Club's Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.